Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so the connection will work reliably. On your phone, enable mobile data or turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Make sure battery is above 20% and you know any carrier data caps. Once done, plug the USB cable into phone and computer for wired tethering, or turn on Bluetooth pairing or the hotspot SSID for wireless. You do this because wired is faster and more stable, whereas hotspot gives mobility. Choose based on speed versus convenience. Now finalize the handshake between devices. If using USB, plug in and open phone settings to enable USB tethering. Windows or Mac OS will detect a new network adapter. If using hotspot, find the SSID on the computer Wi-Fi list, enter the hotspot password, and join. Make sure hotspot channel and band match your computer capabilities. If using Bluetooth, pair the devices, then set the computer to use the phone for internet via the network or PAN settings. This ensures routes and DNS are set automatically. Finish by testing connectivity. Open a browser and load a site to confirm. If you see no internet, check that the phone's mobile data is active and that the computer received an IP address. Make sure DNS is not manually set to an unreachable server. If speeds are poor, move closer to the phone, switch bands, or use USB tethering for higher throughput. If things still fail, restart both devices, toggle airplane mode on the phone, then reconnect. This often clears transient networking faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.